Fish rain. Fish rain is a rare weather event where small fish fall from the sky during heavy storms. It usually happens when strong water sweeps from over oceans, lakes, or rivers and lift fish into the air. These fish travel with the storm clouds and eventually fall back to the ground when the wind weakens. It is most commonly reported in places like Honduras, where it even has a local name and tradition. Frog rain. Frog rain is similar to fish rain but involves frogs instead. Strong winds or tornado-like water columns pick up small frogs from wetlands or ponds. These animals are carried into the clouds and later dropped far away. People sometimes find frogs scattered across streets after storms, which can seem very spider rain. Spider rain happens when large numbers of spiders appear to fall from the sky. In reality, many spiders use a method called ballooning, where they release silk threads to float in the air. Strong winds can carry them high into the sky, and during certain conditions, they all descend together, creating the effect of rain. Dust rain. Dust rain occurs when rainwater mixes with dust or sand particles in the air. This often happens in regions near deserts, where winds carry fine dust into clouds. When it rains, the water brings down the dust, leaving muddy spots on cars, buildings, and roads. It shows how far tiny particles can travel in the atmosphere. Blood rain. Blood rain looks like red-colored rainfall, which can be alarming at first. The red color usually comes from dust, algae spores, or tiny microorganisms present in the air. When mixed with rainwater, these particles give the rain a reddish appearance. It has been recorded in different parts of the world and often causes confusion. Ice rain. Ice rain, also called freezing rain, happens when rain falls through a layer of cold air near the ground and freezes on contact. Instead of forming snowflakes, the water stays liquid until it hits surfaces like roads or trees, turning them icy. This type of rain can be dangerous because it creates slippery conditions. Hail rain consists of small balls or chunks of ice falling from the sky. It forms inside strong storm clouds where updrafts push water droplets upward into freezing temperatures. These droplets freeze and grow larger as they move up and down in the cloud. Eventually, they become too heavy and fall as hailstones. Yellow rain. Yellow rain appears when pollen or fine particles mix with rainfall. During certain seasons, especially spring, plants release large amounts of pollen into the air. When it rains, this pollen gets washed down, giving the rainwater a yellowish color. It is usually harmless but can be noticeable on surfaces. Plastic rain. Plastic rain is a modern environmental issue where tiny plastic particles fall from the sky with rain. These microplastics come from pollution and can travel through the atmosphere. They have been found in remote areas, showing how widespread pollution has become. Insect rain. Insect rain happens when swarms of insects are caught in strong winds and lifted into the air. During storms, these insects can fall back down over wide areas. It is often seen with ants or small flying bugs after heavy weather conditions.